Carbon steel.
Carbon hardened steel.
Carbon hardened steel. Okay.
And carbide.
Okay. And is
Carbide.
this typical of what we're seeing as far as how dirty it is?
Yeah.
It is.
They get
I've
worse
been
than this
told
sometimes.
that there's worse ones, but we didn't have any worse ones. I'm gonna. So this is the schmutz.
Yeah.
Right. So I'm gonna zoom in on that.
Okay. And what is the schmutz?
We don't know what that
I
You
think
don't know?
No.
It's
We had
mystery
the
schmutz?
analysis done of it.
He would know more about
It is. It's mostly zinc. Well, it's a lot of zinc. There's some iron in there and calcium, and I think some other dirts
Okay.
that are not metals. I mean, but there's the zinc is.
Yeah, that's the hardest part to get him out of right there.
And that's
So-
good. That's clean.
The punches look great. I mean, like I said, you're the one who looks at, so you may see
Yep.
things I don't see, but
Punches
it
are
looks
fantastic.
really clean to me. Looks like they're done, basically.